Oh, at least I don't have to see another turkey ever again. No! When explorers first went to America, they found flocks of a strange creature native to the region. This, of course, was the turkey. The locals, for instance the Aztecs, had domesticated these birds, and discovering how tasty they were, merchants naturally began sending them back to Europe where they got their name. At the time, Turkish traders were very prominent, as the Ottoman Empire sat nicely between the east and the west. The Turkish traders were already selling a similar bird called the guinea fowl, and because of this people got a bit confused and thought the two birds were the same, as, well, they do look quite alike and taste quite similar. In those days, the guinea fowl was often nicknamed a turkey bird or turkey fowl by English-speaking people because of the Turkish merchants who sold them. So, when in 1550, a guy called William Strickland introduced the turkey to the UK, because it was so similar to the guinea fowl, it was also given the name turkey by the local people. Also, adding to the confusion was the fact that the birds were later also domesticated and sold from the Middle East. The term was so widespread that 50 years later, Shakespeare, in his play The Twelfth Night, makes mention of the turkey. Of course, the bird isn't called turkey in every language, and the Turkish, of course, knew that the bird did not come from them, but mistakenly believed it to come from India, and called it a Hindi. A pile of other countries followed suit, including Arabia, France, Russia, and Poland. It's been suggested that a possible reason for this might be because Christopher Columbus thought that he had found India instead of America during his journey. Or maybe it's because Native Americans have been traditionally known as Indians. For some reason though, Portugal thought that it had to be a bit different, and instead of calling turkeys, they decided to call them Peru in Portuguese. And the name, of course, is thought to derive from the country of Peru, which hopefully we'll get to in another video. So, to recap, guinea fowls and other birds were sold by the Turkish. Because of this, they were known as turkey birds, and turkeys were mistaken for these birds and ended up with the same name. Well, that's it for today. But if you come from a country which has another unique name for the bird, why not let us know? And thanks, as always, for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming very soon. If you want to see something else, why not click on one of the videos shown here, and there'll be more What's in a Word coming soon, so please subscribe for more.